Hey everyone, welcome to Neolife Cooking Club. Today we're doing pan-fried sea bass using our Saladmaster Griddle. First up, we're gonna pat dry our fish while we're preheating the griddle on medium heat. We'll be seasoning with some salt and pepper. Do this to your taste. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more cooking videos from us. You can check that the griddle is preheated by dropping some water and looking out for the dancing water beads. Just put your sea bass straight onto the griddle, no need to add any oil. You can already see some of the natural oil coming out. We're doing this first side for 7 minutes before we flip. So we're just gonna grab our Saladmaster turner and turn both fish over. As you can see, there is no sticking and that side is perfectly cooked. So we're just gonna cook this for an additional 2 minutes and your sea bass will be ready. For plating, we've just sliced up some lemon to serve the sea bass on. As you can see, there is absolutely no sticking, it comes right off the griddle. And we'll just show you the other side. And look at that, perfectly cooked. Hope you enjoy.